So hello everyone, good day. I'm Alan Alcantara. So I'm gonna discuss the vital role of classification societies. Classification societies plays a crucial part in ensuring the safety and compliance ships worldwide. Their comprehensive oversight and rigorous processes help maintain the highest standards in vessel design, construction, and operations. So overview of societies. Lower presence. Classification societies have a worldwide network of surveyors and inspectors, providing comprehensive coverage for the maritime industry. Technical expertise. Staffed by highly skilled naval architects, engineers, and technical specialists, they offer deep domain knowledge. Independence. Operating as an independent non-profit organizations, they maintain objectivity and impartiality in their assessments. Key function and responsibilities. Design review. Ensuring designs comply with safety and environmental regulations. 2. Construction oversight. Supervising the building process to verify adherence to approved plans. 3. Continuous monitoring. Conducting regular inspection and surveys to maintain vessel integrity. So next. Vessel designs, construction, and maintenance. Design review. Societies ensure vessel designs meet safety and environmental standards through rigorous technical reviews. Construction oversight. They closely monitor the building process to verify adherence to approved plans and quality standards. Maintenance guidance. Ongoing inspectors and surveys provide guidance on proper maintenance to maintain vessel integrity. Construction oversight. They closely monitor the building process to verify adherence to approved plans and quality standards. Modernization support. They assist with upgrades and modifications to ensure vessels remain compliant with evolving regulations. Surveying inspection processes. Initial survey. Comprehensive assessment of a vessel prior to classification to ensure compliance. 2. Periodic surveys. Regular inspections throughout vessels' life cycle to monitor condition and safety. Number 3. Damage surveys. Detailed examinations following incidents to evaluate structural integrity and repairs. Next. Ensuring compliance with regulations. Safety standards. Verifying adherence to safety requirements for crew, passengers, and cargo. Next. Environmental regulation. Ensuring vessels meet stringent environmental protection guidelines. Documentation. Issuing certificates and documentation to demonstrate compliance. So next. Certification and documentation. Classification certificates demonstrate vessel structural integrity and seaworthiness. Struct- Statutory certificates bear compliance with international safety environmental regulations. Continuous survey records provide detailed history of vessels maintenance and inspections. So next, continuous improvement and innovation. 1. Research and development. Classification societies invest in R&D to drive advancement ship design and technology. Industry collaboration. They work closely with ship owners, builders, and regulations to identify emerging needs. 3. Regulatory updates. Classifications, societies contribute to the development of new safety and environmental rules. So that's it. Thank you for listening.